media do this thing and make we skanking. And Constable Brown, you big and Ford. Do not trouble the man, I'm juggle the weed out the road. Country and familiar, chalice and load. No give me no talk, you get a broad piece of board. Sergeant Brown, you big and Ford. Do not trouble the man, I'm juggle the weed out the road. Country and familiar, chalice and load. I got to be set on road side like you're wrong clothes. You know? Those upon a ganja, you man a that man who da want. Go by the ganja market or over the ganja restaurant. Deliver that house to house, but if them just like give me the chance. Sell me mother, me father, me sister, me uncle, me never, me aunt. Pick up the money, me dig up the earth. Plant the seed and nurture the plant. Man, me sell it a town and sell it a foreign and sell it a dance. And some customers who go give them a shipment down in a France. FedEx and collect some advance. Constable Brown, you big a Ford. Do not trouble the money, me jump all up that. Mega Banton with the big voice. Yo, you remind me of when General Trees come with the Rockstone vibes. Step up again, yo. Oh, you mean? What them do? This Batman, then smart, they are go dead. No waste black blood, Batman ready to shoot down in your head. Yeah, this Batman, then a crazy blood to shed. Should this the laws of a gangster? Yes. Tell light on Batman, then what you gonna do? Some black crying about the guns for you to show. Change address to treat up in your video. When them this, but when Batman go rise, it exercise. Real bad people see no scene on the road. Rise it, exercise. You this dance sound in your blood. Hey, tell them. Don't you know it's destiny? We tired of them because they sound like best to me. And don't you know you should have never said threat to win? You're pull up, take it up. Y'all some boy always a grown and a block people house. Y'all some little boy we call him petty thief Peter Mitchell from way back when, right? Big up Professor Nuts, I Portmore represent, and they represent. So me gonna tell you a little drama. More on say this to me, say this to me, say this to me. Queen. Listen, me say them I go get Queen, I go get Queen. Two fingers fearing them and enough of them. Just love get trouble so, like it's a trend. Beat them already and the guy do it again. Him I go get, I go get. Tell them send no more lesson in little children. The mother tell them fi go church but he not just pass the glen. Who boots him up? Shh. A little man go a one dance a grand spend. And I watch every dollar where the dance spend. Rocky did a no stand thief couple and the bullet leave out of the barrel where the dance send. A little school youth start stab him with a pen. A old man a pass and just spit pan him. When the dance hold him and beat him again. Lucky thing the brother never dead in at the end. Look like some boy have some dirty problem. Oh, them a every queen a down a garden a friend. See the dan a smoke and a drink. Chew him finger fearing, grab up the man weed and emblem. A man drape him up, took him nine eye them. Shot him couple years as me count about 10. Now tell no lie on the brother yo. And the first man me ever see me call Piper and Ben. Him a go get, I go get. Two finger fearing him and enough of them. Just love the trouble so, like it's a trend. Beat him already and the guy do it again. Me say them I go get, I go get. Tell them some no more lesson the little children. The mother tell them fi go church, not just Pastor Glenn. Who boosts them up? Devil. A little thing go on a Clarendon again. See a gal a pass and now one day a gem. Dip in a bosom a feel up gal breast bout him hand. He no get no see under from when. A man spot the rake and say, why you defend? Him say in a badness, him a the creme de la creme. Him not take no chat, you shoulda see how him deal with the gully when him hear say the girl of his skin. The boy left go country go check Uncle Ken. Sister Agatha and the one Auntie Gwen. See a four kuban go in, they go move few egg, few rooster and few hen. Try make a escape, but guess what happen? Him foot get catching on the bag wire them. A old woman took him with a chimney and said, nothing can see you, you're not even Father God, you know. So me get to know the brother now hold the rem. All when pain and lick him a laugh and pretend. But him want to make a call who have a cell phone filling. And as him get this phone, them not see him but he should I get? Two finger fear. Respect my brother, pull it up and hold it. Yes, my people, big up on yourself tonight. It's all about Professor Nuts. I'm going to tell you something. I hear some boy I talk about them at 6. We are all artists. We are not 6. We are dozen. And we are dozen. And some man talk about them up like 7. Talk the truth where God love. 7 up. When you listen, sometimes you hear DJ them a chat rubbish. 7 up, no man can up like 7. You have to up like 11. Remember me tell you that. 7 bow and bend over so. 7 no up. I know what I'm doing there, but they are listen phone you know. Up like 11. Up like 11 Jamaica people. I'm in here Peter Metro. Proud Jamaica. People all about, watch ya. I say, hello, proud to be Jamaican and make me so no hard. Over here, sir. Hello, in the middle here, sir. Over here, sir. Oh, me say, push up your one, you want about Jamaican. This a for we island. Oh, I say, hello, love see Jamaica. Make me so no hard. Well, listen now, you know a 7 hero fight to free Jamaican. And out of that 7, what was that woman? You got 7 heroes of Jamaica. Paul Bogle, Daddy Shaw, and Daddy Buster, Daddy Manley with your brother, Marcus Mosiah, and Sister Nanny was the maroon leader. Now let's look on them, one after the other. William God did white, he was a freedom fighter. Paul Bogle did black, him a rebellion leader. But he was tricked and then captured, and then them hanging couple days later. Go, take a look at Marcus Mosiah, born 1887, son of a papa, due to his love for black and his brain power. He was on his way to free Africa when he was captured by some English soldier. Then even destroyed the Black Star Liner and brought back him ashes to Jamaica. Now Daddy Manley, Daddy Bustamante, they all came from the same family. But we get independent for our country. And then to yeah, pull up that. Yo, hey, I wanna run with Peter Mitchell. I wanna feel like me a bad artist. Don't let me a compound. Don't let me a compound. When me come for work, pull it up, Oliver. Pull it up. Me no ramp when me a work. Run it. Our country is Jamaica. Low. Enough things. Low, Oliver. Listen this. When you see corruption, think about no corruption. When you see corruption, don't think about corruption. When you see corruption, don't think about no corruption. Come Jamaica people make we about no corruption because corrupted soldier, corrupted police, corrupted pastor on the pulpit a preach, corrupted teachers in a classroom a teach, corrupted dentists and a pull people teeth. Corruption pile up like a garbage heap. In the bed of corruption, Peter Metro now sleep. No, me want to sweep off corruption street. Listen, Peter Metro, watch out. Corruption take over the whole island. That's why me have a bill say corruption song. Corruption done the money, me say a petro jam. One birthday cake is all 100 grand. Corruption the maritime institution. It make real Regan and never land. Corrupted this Jackie the radio station. The corrupted DJ get #1 son. Me sit up on the rhythm, they don't pull it up. Pull it up. If I love all their work, could say go on Metro. Look, Oliver. Out of speak so fast. Whenever you're a DJ talk back way, eh? Myself, whenever you're a DJ talk back way. Listen. Come give me the back way. Other man you look so man. It's a gold man this. Pull it up. Big up goalie. I jump every time. See? Run it again. Blessed love. I don't want to left the stage, but I want to put things on people. Put things on people. Yeah, look. This is the back way talk, and the back way talk. Talk back way, this is back way talk, and the back way talk. Talk back, shh. Me name Peter Metro born February born Metro Peter name me Jubilee Hospital, me mother of me. Me have mother me Hospital Jubilee. Everybody know me as a Mike MC might know me. Body every intelligence that me have plenty that have me. Intelligence reality me talk, me no talk no folly no talk me reality. Me love Jamaica bad, this is my country bad Jamaica love me. Particular the leader for the scare them Passy scare them my leader bounty. Aritala elephant man, say them dainty them say elephant and Larry. Be the man a angel figure down in a history figure down in a angel man being it. And the back way talk, back way talk, pull it up, what it die.
Salam people, wait again, wait my boy. You can't love the woman them and left them, pull up the Oliver. You can't love the woman them and left them empty. What the woman them forget, read him. What the woman them forget, What the woman them forget? Girl forget money. I mean, no mean that like kind if you broke them down, you know wine years. Style of it. Pull up that too fast. Cut the speed. What do woman them forget? Adaya. I go. Girl forget money. I mean, no mean that like kind if you broke them down, you know wine years. Style of it. Them no want no mean man no time. Them one man we kind. Girl forget money. Deep in your pocket, see the girl them. Girl no want no bag of chat. If you not spend no cash up a lock. And when you walk one like carrying top a top. Yeah, you have to ask money back at that. When woman forget money, don't talk about a crap. Here you can't write the next man will take a spot from food. Chicken your bun, no fire goes so hot. Then no pussy get no feet from chicken back. Girl forget money. I mean that like kind if you broke them down, give you the bull up ass. That's the metro.
Yes, people are going to do final tune, but hear me and say, all of the man them over there, sir, over here, sir, over there, sir. We have one artist that go now, and the artist here, him take Rubber Dub Jersey by storm. Him name Issa. Don't take on the money and spend it on certain things. I'm going to tell you no who to spend on the money part. Watch out now, come in Issa. Now youth here will be knowing on the internet, but want to get used to him. Give the culture rhythm there. Issa! What the man say, my brother?
Yeah! Good night, baby. Gossa! How you doing? Gossa! Tell you there's a cool over the climber. Some boy I buy a gun, but me prefer buy girl. Run down gun, but me run down woman. I'm a fire! I'm a people where you kill. I'm a girl we have, and I'm a baby I go. What up that alive? Gossa! Tell you there's a cool over the crime and violence. You see how we dance and have fun? Gossa! Hey. Pick up on the night and Gossa! Some boy I buy gun, but me prefer buy girl. Run down gun, but me run down woman. I'm a people where you kill. I'm a girl we have, and I'm a baby I go bill. Passy hold them a rise AK. And last night me sleep with Anarchy. Gossa! Can't give me no Glock party. Cause tonight me and my girl them a be party. And you can't give me no Bushmaster. Me prefer search on the bush. No file master. And me don't want no 16 shooter. Then I prefer if you give me Del Cita. Say me no want at a German Luger. If I get again! We ugly like cougar. So boy I run down 9mm. Me prefer run down Shelly and Fraser. And get her up on the 100 meter. Gossa! Love it!
Everybody no say bad. Pull up Oliver. Pull up. Everybody no say bad. Come back here, man. People, we don't discriminate against nobody. That youth here take the internet by storm with a song here. Do it again.
Gossa! Tell you there's a cool over the crime and violence. Why I buy a gun, but me prefer buy girl. Run down gun, but me run down woman. I'm a people where you kill. I'm a girl we have, and I'm a baby I go bill. Passy hold them a rise AK. And last night me sleep with Anarchy. Gossa! Can't give me no Glock party. Cause tonight me and the girl them a be party. And then can't give me no Bushmaster. Me prefer search on the bush. No file master. And me don't want no 16 shooter. Then I prefer if you give me Del Cita. Say me no want at a German Luger. Me get again! We up the like. Why I run down 9mm. Me prefer run down Shelly and Fraser. And Sashi will not get the rest of it, you know. Sashi the 24th of May, you know. Yeah, man.
Love wanna thank you very much, people. Thank you for supporting us, everybody who they here. This is Rubber Dub Jersey, Dancehall Jersey. Professor Nuts, big up yourself. Thank you very much for the support.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise.